2004 Cadillac Escalade. This is the engine air filter change. Tools you'll need for the job, of course, you've got your air filter and you've got your flathead screwdriver. Once you have both of those in place, of course, you can come here. You have 4 bolts, one here, one here. You also have, you can see one down on the bottom side and one here as well. So all you're going to do, flathead screwdriver, of course, if you have the flathead screwdriver, you definitely know how to use it. You're going to unscrew all of those. Once you have all 4 of your screws undone, once you have your screws undone, you're just going to lift up on your air filter housing cover. You have your air filter. Just take your air filter, put it in place. Make sure it's pressed down on all 4 sides. Take your air filter and housing cover, put it back into position, and of course you're going to tighten your screws. Here's 1, 2, 3, and of course 4. Air filter replaced, you're all done.